So how do I know if I need a knee replacement? Well, everybody's different, but if you have arthritis in the knee, either by far the most common is osteoarthritis, or if you have rheumatoid arthritis, you've had conservative treatment, which includes medication, injections, physical therapy, and the pain is still bad enough to where it's affecting your lifestyle. You can't do things you want to do. You can't take vacations or enjoy a vacation. You can't exercise. If it's really negatively impacting your life and you've gone through the limits of conservative treatment, then knee replacement would be a good option for you. So who's a good candidate for a total knee replacement? Anyone that has arthritis, either the osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis or the other diseases similar to rheumatoid arthritis who have failed conservative treatment. We've done people up into their 90s and people into their 40s with regularity, and some actually even younger than that. Those are usually rheumatoid patients. They would be a good candidate for the knee replacement. So I tell patients that knee replacements hurt. There's no getting around it. There are things that we do to mitigate that pain. The day of surgery, patients get a block and we inject the knee with some numbing medicine so they really don't feel much for about 24 hours. After that, they're going to need some pain medication for a while. And everybody's different. Some people get off of it in a couple of days, and some people it takes a couple of months. But we make sure patients the pain is tolerable and that they're able to do the activities and physical therapy that they need to. So how long does it take to recover and get back to normal activities after a knee replacement? I tell people it takes about 6 weeks to really get their feet back under them and really get going. By 3 months, doing pretty well. But the knees will improve for up to a year. Usually around the 6 to 8 week time mark, the pain from the surgery becomes less than the pain was for the arthritis that was the reason for the knee replacement. Some people are different though. Some people by a couple of weeks get there, and some people it's a couple of 3 months before they get there. But most people, the significant majority, by 3 months are doing well. But like I said, they'll improve for up to a year. So what does life look like after a knee replacement? Well, we put them in people to keep them active. I tell people they can hike, bike, ski, swim, things like that as much as you want. Ask them to stay away from jogging because that pounds on the piece of plastic and cause it to wear faster. But really, the reason for putting the implant in is to improve a patient's quality of life. If they want to play golf, they want to do stairs, they spend time with grandkids, they want to work longer. It's really to keep people active. So hopefully the goal is for the life to be much better than it would have been had they not had the knee replaced. I'm Dr. David Taunton. I'm a hip and knee specialist in Bedford, Texas. If you have any other questions or would like an evaluation, I would be more than happy to see you in clinic.